Hey guys, so today we just wanted to show you how easy it is to take a reading from your battery. Now, it's simple. You can drive to your local auto parts store, they'll hook up a little electronic tester, and it'll tell you if your battery's good or bad. What does that mean? It's just good or bad. So they want to sell you a new battery because it's bad. But it could be as simple as one cell that's low on fluid in your battery, and you could have a good battery again. So with the hydrometer, you're able to take a reading from each cell. It's real simple to do. There's a cap on top of the battery you remove. Simply squeeze two fingers together on the hydrometer. You lower it down into your cell. And you release those two fingers until the hydrometer starts to float here. Clicker shut and take your reading. It's that simple. So do a little bit of research on how to maintenance a battery. Every company's a little bit different when it comes to the reading. But ultimately, it could save you a lot of money in the end by just adding a little bit of liquid to your battery as opposed to replacing it. Thanks, guys.